In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make background transparent in Figma. First, open your design so you can see the frame or artboard you plan to export. By default, frames in Figma often have a solid fill, which will block transparency on export if you leave it as is. To clear that out, click to select your frame. Then look to the right sidebar for the fill section. You'll see a color chip and a small minus icon. Click the minus icon to remove the default color entirely. If you prefer not to remove the fill, you can also make it effectively invisible. In the same fill section, open the color and drag the opacity slider down to 0%. Either approach will give you a transparent frame, which appears as a checkerboard in the canvas. Make sure you are selecting the frame itself, not a group or individual layer inside it, so the background actually becomes transparent. If your design includes photos and you want to remove the photo's background so only the subject remains, use a plugin. Open Plugins by pressing Ctrl+K. Then type Remove PNG into the search and open it. Once the plugin is running, select the image layer you want to edit and click the Remove Background button in the plugin window. The plugin will process the image and strip away the background, leaving transparent pixels behind. You'll see the subject isolated on the checkerboard, which means transparency is active. Keep in mind, the quality of the cutout can depend on the photo's contrast and edges. If your image isn't selected, the button won't do anything. So always make sure that specific image layer is highlighted before you run the action. When you are ready to export, choose a format that preserves transparency. In Figma's export options, select PNG or SVG. PNG is great for images and UI elements with soft edges or shadows, while SVG is perfect for vector shapes and icons. Avoid JPG for transparent backgrounds, because JPG doesn't support transparency and will fill the empty areas with a solid color. After picking PNG or SVG, export as usual. If your frame fill is removed or set to 0% and your images have transparent backgrounds, the exported file will keep those transparent areas exactly as seen on the canvas. That's it. Thanks for watching.